Good afternoon, teacher.
How are you today?
We are fine, thank you, and you?
I'm also great, thank you. Take a seat, please. We have unusual lesson today. That's why don't worry, be active and be positive. I wish you good luck.
Thank you.
So now I want to introduce you with learning objectives and with lesson objectives. As you see on the screen, pay attention to the screen, learning objectives are lesson objectives. All learners will be able to demonstrate understanding of facts in reading and small opinions. Also create short summaries of sci-fi films using knowledge to convey information. Before starting our lesson, I want to divide you into two groups by using our national instrument dombra. Please come to the board and identify your groups. Using the platform DID. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
Okay. Pay attention to the video.
When James Cameron, the director and creator of Avatar, first imagined the world of Pandora and the Na'vi humanoid tribe, there was no available technology to help him make his dream come true. He had to wait a few years for technology to catch up to him and finally start filming in 2001. Although CGI was widely used in many box office hits, there were some limitations.
What about this video?
Avatar by director James Cameron, and James Cameron created for this film 3D cameras and the new actors maybe.
Okay, good job. So
it's about to James how he really worked hard and waited for many years to create such an amazing film to us, and he really waited for it for a long time. And in the end, he created us such an amazing film.
okay, good job. Know this character?
Yeah.
Who is this? Who is this? This is Avatar, yeah?
Yes.
So this is one of the main characters of the film Avatar. Okay. So let's
Have you
start.
seen this film before?
Okay. Did you understand the question?
Yes.
Okay. What kind of question is that? Have you seen this film before? Okay. Have you seen this film before?
Yes.
With your family. Okay. Have you seen this film before? First group?
Yes.
Okay. So next question, please.
What's the name of this film?
What's the name?
Avatar.
Avatar. Next.
What's the film about?
What's the film about? What's the film about? Okay, David.
The film is a Sally who travel to the Pandora planet and becomes the part of the Na'vi and learning their culture.
Learning is your.
Firstly, he was doing orders from his company, but then after he became close with the Na'vi culture. He chooses to help to protect their land.
Their land, their nature, their tribal. Why do you like this film? Do you like this film?
Yes.
Yes, of course. Okay. Give the justification. Why do you like this film? It's a simple question. Okay, just.
3D effects and beautiful scene.
Okay, good job. So, first group. Sci-fi films, a new dimension to art. Exactly. Today we are going to talk about the film Avatar, yes? Okay, let's do some tasks. First task, please. First task is the scripter selects an appropriate answer, makes the definitions correctly, and for each correct answer, 2 points. Is it clear for you?
Yes.
So the following words, we have just learned to give correct definitions. Is it clear?
Yes.
It's the individual work. It's the individual work. Who wants come to the board, please? Okay. out.
Together different elements so they work as a whole in film. It might mean combining real actors with
CGI effects. Okay, let's check it. Okay, she is right. Take a seat, please. So,
Simulation camera is a special type of camera or software used to simulate real-life camera movements in a virtual or digital environment.
so it's a special type of camera. She is right. Okay, good job.
Computers generate images or streams created using computer graphics, often used in movies and games to create realistic or imaginary
environments. Okay. Good job.
Use having length, width, and depth in films. 3D images appear to pop out of the screen and look more realistic.
By the way, during the first task and the second task, you should assess yourself. It means a self-assessment by the method by ear. Is it clear?
Yes.
Okay. Show me please assessment. Put 2 points. If you remember in descriptor, we said that for each correct answer, you should take 2 points. Yes? Okay. Let's go. So that's enough. Almira. Okay. Tamiris. Aizada. Daurin. Ayala. Because you should assess only 2 points. It means it's set calm. Yes? Okay, next, continue. Second task while reading is also individual work, as you see. Read the text and mark the statements as true or false. 102, a new dimension to art. Yeah? In order to this task. So don't forget about descriptors. You should follow the descriptors, yes? After reading the task, we will set this statement if the sentence is true or false. Okay, David. And read aloud.
Computer-generated imaginary was widely used in Avatar to create realistic 3D worlds.
3D worlds. How do you think? Is it true or false?
The answer is true.
True. Of course you are right. So next, students who want... Take a pencil, please. Choose one of the planets. Okay, read aloud the question.
The technology used in Avatar is already being applied to video games but has not yet been successful in other types of films.
Check your answers, please. Click on.
The CGI technology in Avatar helped make the characters look less realistic and lifelike.
It's false. It's false. Okay, check it. So you are right. Thank you. How many students get correct answers in here? Okay, Jaras and Daurin, Ayala, Aizada, Ayajan. Yes? What about?